In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add buttons in Canva for your website, a simple process that will make your site more interactive and engaging. To start, open Canva and make sure your project is ready. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel with several tools. Click on Elements, which is where Canva stores shapes, graphics, and buttons. In the search bar at the top, type the word button, and you'll see a variety of options appear. Initially, only a few buttons will display. So click See All to explore more styles, sizes, and colors that might suit your website's design aesthetic. Once you find a button that matches your style, click on it and it will appear on your canvas. Drag it to the exact spot where you want it to go. If you need to resize, hover over a corner until you see the double-headed arrow, then click and drag to adjust the size. A well-sized button is important because it needs to be noticeable but not overpower your content. Next, let's customize the color to match your branding. Click on the color icon that appears above your button, then select a color from the palette. You can pick a single color, gradient, or a custom hex code to perfectly match your website theme. After the button is styled, it's time to add text. Go to the left panel, click Text, then add a text box. Type a call to action like Buy Now, Learn More, or anything relevant to the button's purpose. Place the text inside the button and resize it to ensure readability. Canva allows you to center the text automatically or adjust it manually. Finally, to make the button functional, click the text, then the three dots for more options, and select Link. Paste the URL of your desired web page or link it to another page in your Canva project. Click Done to save the link, and your button is now interactive. Repeat these steps for as many buttons as you need. By following this process, you can guide your audience effectively, making your website not only visually appealing but also functional and user-friendly. Buttons are small but powerful tools to enhance navigation and conversions on your site. Experiment with different styles, colors, and sizes to see what works best. Canva makes it easy and fun to create professional buttons in just a few minutes. With these steps, your website will be more engaging, interactive, and ready to impress your visitors.